Hello, 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 everybody. We got a cute little one. It is a kitty cat keychain. Isn't he beautiful? Look at him. He's gorgeous. So let's dive into it and I'll show you how to make them. Let's dive into this cute little cat. So if you're going to be using a keychain, I suggest you put it on now. And I am using 100% cotton yarn, my friends. So we'll add this on at the right spot. This makes life so much easier. We need to start with a slip knot and a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. We need to chain 20. So let's chain 20. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We got our chain of 20. Now we're going to slip stitch 9 times. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So after the 9 slip stitches, I want you to chain 3 and then wrap your hook twice, and then in the next stitch put in a treble. One treble. Let's do it again. Wrap twice. Traffic's busy today and all my doors are shut. So this is 2 trebles. Wrap twice and then 3 trebles. Now we're going to do a double crochet in the next. A double crochet in the next. If you hear my dogs are sleeping. And then a double crochet one more time. So that was 3 double crochets. You hear the keychain rumbling? Now we're going to do 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3 single crochets. Now go into that last stitch and do a slip stitch. Okay, so now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now everything I tell you to do until we start working down the other side is going to be in this last stitch. Okay, so we chain 3. Now you're going to put in 3 double crochets in that stitch. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Chain 3, my friends. 1, 2, and 3. And if you look at the bottom of this chain, you're going to see this little V right here. You're going to put your hook through the V and do a little slip stitch. And you just made an ear. Okay. Now you want to do 1 double crochet again, all in that same chain. Now you want to bring up your key ring. And just butt it up against your last stitch. All right, butt it up real tight, like that. Now do another double crochet. Just let that hook hang in there. Do another double crochet. Okay. Chain 3. And then slip stitch in that V stitch again. Here's the slip stitch. Okay. Now put in 3 double crochets. One, two, and 3. Chain 3, and then slip stitch right in that center. Now we're going to start working on the other side of this chain. Okay, so we're going to do single crochet, go through the full chain, single crochet, see if I can hold that so it's not banging, another single crochet, and one more single crochet, and then do 3 doubles going down, 1 in each stitch. 1, 2, and 3, and then 3 trebles. Wrap twice. One, 2, and 3. Chain 3. And then you slip stitch in that same stitch. And that is it. Chain 1 and then cut. Let me weave in the ends and I'll be right back. And here is the most adorable kitty cat keychain. Look at that. He got little chubby cheeks, got a curly tail, and he's already on the keychain. Gorgeous, isn't he? Well, I'm Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I work with Maggie to bring you these beautiful crochet tutorials. And here at Whip and Chain, it is always a work in progress. Please subscribe, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all the fun stations, and keep watching our videos. Thank you. Please comment below and tell me what you guys think. Have a wonderful day.